Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching the beat, welcome. And if this is not your first time, you already know what it is. Okay, we're about to be doing a get ready with me. I haven't done one of these in a while, and I wanted to show you guys some skincare and some makeup that I've been dying to talk about. So I did use the Bling Boss palette from Jaclyn Hill and Morphe in the fall to create this look today. I know it looks a lot like Norvina. I tried not to make it look like that, but it still came out like that. So you all know we will have to use this palette again. Don't worry, we're going to use it again so you can see some different looks. I always do the same thing on my channel. I don't even know why. Also, don't forget to subscribe and put your bell on for notifications so you'll know exactly when I put videos up. So if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. So the first product I want to talk about is the Australian Pink Clay by Sand and Sky. I actually really like this stuff. Now it has the pink clay in it, and it also has alpha hydroxy acids. So those acids help with cell turnover so that your skin can be silky smooth. And then the pink clay exfoliates your skin, resurfaces your skin, and you know, who doesn't want their skin to be soft, right? So I was sent this by Sand and Sky to review, and I actually really like it. So what I like to do is just squeeze a little bit out on my hand, and I use a brush to brush it onto my skin. I just feel like this is the easiest way to do it. It doesn't have an amazing smell, but it's not obnoxious, where it's just like, damn, I can't keep this on my face. You put it onto moist skin. I don't really like to moisten my skin when I use products like these because I really want those exfoliating properties, and when you add water to it, that really decreases how much it would exfoliate your skin. So I didn't moisten my skin, but if you want to, you can moisten your skin. And you're supposed to massage this for 30 seconds. You want to avoid your eyes, of course. And I'm gonna take my hands and massage. And I know a lot of times we forget about our neck, but don't forget about your neck. Our necks need love too. I like to get right here. I usually have whiteheads. You massage for 30 seconds and you can leave it on your skin for up to 5 minutes. My skin is gonna be so smooth after this. I'm excited. I love a good mechanical exfoliator. You can really feel the texture of your skin improve once you hit it with that clay. Alright, so this is my skin. It's feeling very soft right now, and we're about to move on to the next part of the skincare routine. So I was sent this glowing skincare bundle from a company called, I think it's Moira or Moira, and I was really happy to receive this. Now it comes with a couple things. I think it comes with about 5 things in the box. So the first thing I want to talk about is the Clean Away Makeup Cleansing Balm, and basically it's so pink you can't even see it, but you just scoop it out and it goes from balm to oil, and you're able to take your makeup off, and then when you wet it, it emulsifies and turns into a surfactant, so it cleanses your skin. So this is the first step of my makeup removal process, and I actually really like it. I like this one. It smells amazing, so whenever I take my makeup off, this is what I would use. So the second things I want to talk about are these 2 cleansers. This box is white so you can't even see it, but the first one is the Purifying Charcoal Cleansing Foam, and this I would say is definitely more deep cleaning than the Moisture Capture Whipping Cleanser. That's this one. The charcoal one does more deep cleaning, I find. I've used both of them with my Clarisonic, and I think that I like this one with the Clarisonic more. I think I also like this one more when I have makeup on. On a day where I haven't worn makeup, I think that this one, the Moisture Capturing Whipping Cleanser, is better because it's milder. But I like them both, and I've used both of them with my Clarisonic and seen very good results. So the star of the show for me is the Skin Purifier Cleansing Water. It's 4-in-1 multi-water, cleanse, tone, exfoliate, and moisturize, and it looks like this. This is the star of the show for me. Once you're finished with your cleanser and you use this stuff, you're gonna see how much more makeup, how much more dirt, how much more, you know, gunk you have on your face when you use this. If you put a little too much onto your cotton pad, it actually kind of foams up a little bit. So basically, I like these big ones, and this is what I'm gonna use from Moira right now. This is amazing. You're gonna see how it is bringing life to my face. Look at that. Color was just restored. It just brought life back to my face. And there is a little residue left on this. It's white, so you can't really see it. But guys, I thought that I was taking all my makeup off, and I was not. When I'm wearing makeup and I use this, and I've used the cleansing balm, and I've used my Hyalauronic and the cleanser, and I use the cleansing water, there's still stuff left in your face. So that is why it's imperative for you to make sure you get all your makeup off. That's how you get your skin to stay smooth and breakout free. So if anything I would recommend from Moira, I hope I'm saying that correctly, it will be the skin purifying cleansing water. I think this is gonna change your life. Okay, y'all saw the dramatic difference of my skin. My skin feels so like just good, super soft, and I think that this also preps your face for what is to come next. The next thing that they have is called the Atomic Water Balm, and it's a daily super hydrating gel cream. Now, I am a fan of gel creams because I have oily skin, and I prefer a gel to a cream because it's more lightweight and it doesn't make me super oily. Now, today I am not going to be using this, but I usually use this in the daytime. I am going to be trying out one of their sheet masks, and this one is called the Ultimate Masking Experience from Korea Snow Lotus Hydrogel Mask. It's supposed to relax, balance, and brighten your skin. I really like hydrogel masks. I think hydrogel masks are my favorite. So this is supposed to soothe your skin, and it's supposed to do wonders to your complexion and improve the appearance of dark spots, to rejuvenate fatigued, tired skin. And it says, let the aromatic scent help take your mind on a relaxing journey while powerful extracts recharge and reboot your skin. Okay, so it looks like this. Wow, this feels really nice. Now this mask is very delicate, so you want to be careful with it. It says you can keep the mask on for 30 minutes, and then after you remove the mask, you want to just like pat your skin. Okay, so we're gonna do this for 30 minutes and then we'll be back. Alright, 30 minutes has passed, and then you're just supposed to massage the rest into your skin. My skin feels really, really nice right now, very moisturized. And I know you can see that glow that I already have on my skin. So then I'm just gonna add a little bit of hyaluronic acid serum. I'm gonna add my eye cream, and then we can jump into the makeup. Right, so the eyes are primed, and we're gonna go in with the Ring the Alarm palette. Remember I said I was gonna use this. So we're gonna go in with Sparks. This is, ooh, a really nice burgundy red. Wow. That is super pigmented. And I'm using the Sheena B Miami blending brush. Wow, Sparks is nice. I actually didn't expect all this pigment because it is daytime. I don't want to look crazy now. Wow. Yep. Fenty Beauty Amplified Eye Primer just brings out the best in shadows. So I'm going to be using this from now on as my base. Then we're going to go in with Mystic. Let's deepen up that crease. And Mystic is a very nice purple, like a deep plum shade. And I'm using the MAC 217 brush. I'm going to go into a little bit of Rockstar, which is a purple. This is another purple. Just to blend in with Sparks, but not to be so red. Wow. I didn't think this palette would be one of my favorites. As you guys know, I just got the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette, and this reminded me so much of it, and I was like, maybe I might return this one, but I like this one. Shadows are blending out really nicely. Mystic did the same thing that Secret did in the last video. It's looking kind of shimmery for some reason. I don't know what causes that. It's very strange. Okay, so for my brow bone highlight, I'm gonna take Hush Hush as a matte, and then I'm gonna take Glitz and Glam over that. So these shimmers, I feel like you need to wet the brush because I'm trying to put Glitz and Glam on my brow bone and it's barely coming out. I'm not too upset about that because it's on my brow bone and I don't want my brow bone to be super, you know, bright, but that may be a problem when it comes to the lid. Now I'm gonna swatch some of them for you. This is Berry Treasure, which is a beautiful, like, it's like a black base with pink, gold, and like red shimmer in it. That's beautiful. Then we have Ballsy, which is a nice pinkish, goldish color. Glitz and Glam, which I just tried to put on my brow bone. It's more kind of rose goldy. And then Bling Bling, the shade right here. It's very pink glitter. Okay, I think I want to wet my brush. I'm gonna use this Indonesia Bridal Setting Spray to wet my brush. And I think I'm gonna go into Bling Bling. Let's see what wetting the brush does. Okay, wetting the brush I don't think has done anything, really. This color is not my fave. It's actually coming out kind of streaky. I'm not feeling that color. Let's try Ballsy on the other eye. This is a little better, but it's hard to spread onto my eye. I am using a smaller brush, but it's not gliding smooth like butter. So the shimmers in this palette is kind of weird. They're not smooth, but I'm gonna try my best to get this done. Yeah, this is looking much better than the other side. So yeah, Bling Bling is not a favorite for me at all, but Ballsy is very nice. It's like a gold pink, and I guess by using this smaller brush it's helping me to be a little bit more precise, and I didn't need to wet this one. Okay, so I'm gonna go over Bling Bling with Ballsy. Yep, and it's completely covering it, so that's good. Ballsy is almost like a cream shadow. That's what is making it different from Bling Bling. I think Bling Bling has a bigger like glitter chunks in it, so that's why it wasn't going on as smooth on my eye. But okay, we were able to salvage it. I'm gonna go back in with a little bit of Sparks and Rockstar just to define the crease a little bit. The lashes are on. I use Lena Lashes Monroe. I'm gonna add a little pizzazz to the look right on the end over here. Yep, I already knew how this color was gonna look, so that's why I didn't swatch it, but I just wanna... Alright, so this is the final look, guys, and I actually really like how it came out. I think my skin looks super smooth. Thank you to Sand and Sky for resurfacing my skin. Yeah, I really like that Australian pink clay. I think you guys should give it a try. I will have all the details in my description box, as well as the Moira Cosmetics glow bundle, which I think is just making my skin look super good. I'm probably gonna feature the Cleanse Away Balm in a separate video just so I could show you guys how it takes your makeup off, because it does a really good job. Yeah, so I probably will feature that in another video, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I really like the Bling Boss palette from Morphe and Jaclyn Hill. I think this one probably is my favorite. I think this one is my favorite. So it looks, you know, similar to Norvina. It's like the same color story. Jaclyn does have that beautiful like deep purple in there though, which Norvina doesn't really have, but you know, similar stories. But I think purple is becoming, well, not becoming, purple has been one of my favorite like eyeshadow colors. Yeah, so that ends the video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys know that I love the support that I've been getting. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. You know, you can follow me on my social media platforms. It's La.Beat on Instagram and on Snapchat, and LaBeat Inc. on Facebook and Twitter. I have all the products that I use to create this look in the description box below. So if you have any questions, make sure to check there first. And then if you can't find the answer, you can ask me in the comment section. But thank you so much for watching, guys, and have a great night. Bye.